technology has improved a lot. On the one hand, there is a tremendous amount of improvement in the area of technology. On the other hand, we happen to see an enormous number of people complain that life is boring, life is boring. Boredom is everywhere. But in India, in Hindu tradition, boredom is not there. As long as ceremonies are there, boredom will never be there in Hindu life. Because India is known for its ceremonial richness. As far as a Hindu is concerned, without ceremonies, life is simply meaningless. A Hindu firmly believes that it is ceremonies which strengthen life, which give meaning to life. Even a poor person, even a very poor Hindu person attends at least 50 ceremonies in a year. To that extent, ceremonies are very important in Hindu way of life. As long as ceremonies are there, life will never be boring in India, and technology help a Hindu to enrich his ceremonies. So, ceremonies play a major role in India's Hindu style of life, etc.